Alfredo sauce.
No.
From scratch.
What?
Order the Alfredo sauce.
No, bro. Cooking with D-Wills. Bottle full of D-Wills. Shut the fuck up.
Big ass.
Why the fuck there's a paper clip? I mean, I know you did not try to wear this as a motherfucking top.
No.
To dining with Dion, mouth full of Dion. Play cops and robs, get behind it. Dog. What the fuck is good, y'all? It's your boy, They Love D-Wills, and I'm back with another banger. You know what it is? I got my brothers with me. You feel me? One ski, you know what I'm saying? Got my brother. Background. Y'all been asking for this for a good little minute, so it's about time. Why the fuck I got these fucking? It's day 2, y'all. I hope y'all been fucking with.
Day 3.
Day 3 on Friday. It's day 3, y'all. I hope y'all been fucking with it so far. We got a lot more planned, so don't go nowhere, you feel me? But today, today, we doing a fried blind deaf and mute. Fried blind deaf and mute. No, that's going over his eyes.
But not yet,
Yeah. Slow your roll, big dog.
Chill, man. Relax, Alex.
We're gonna be trying to make, we're not gonna try, I think we're gonna get it done. What y'all think?
Duh. I be in the kitchen a little bit, no cap. I mean,
Look
the flick of their wrist. Look at the flick of their wrist. Look at the flick of their wrist.
We making chicken Alfredo. We want to spice it up. We should do like jerk chicken Alfredo. We should do that. What y'all think?
Nah, I think we should just keep the chicken Alfredo regular.
Let's see if we get there.
Yeah.
And then we might.
Yeah, let's see.
You might not know.
Cause y'all always gonna be playing too much.
Who?
You, both of y'all.
I'm about to wash my hands. I'm gonna let them know I'll take care of it. Who's doing the chicken and the sauce?
Oh nah, I dead can't see.
He thought he was gonna be able to see.
Nah, like this shit's dead black. Nah, see my eyes gonna hurt after this, bro.
Nah, you good.
I'm tired of dealing with it. Why it smell like fucking lotion?
Cause I just put lotion on my hands.
Is this good enough?
Nah, I don't like this, bro.
He said, long for the home. Get ready, buddy. We about to wash your hands. I said this buddy on my back up, nigga. Nah,
don't start that shit, bro. Watch out. I'm trying to feel, bro. I can't see. Wait, what the fuck?
Bitch, you at the sink. Like, stop reaching around.
Bro, I feel like somebody in my face, bro.
I can't even hear your fuck ass, but I know you saying some stupid shit. Put your hand up. And so, get over the sink.
My bad, bro. I can't see, bro. Up under your nails.
Stay over the sink.
Alright, my bad.
I can't hear y'all. Y'all gotta tell me what to do, bro.
I can't see.
Man. Yo. Why I'm gonna be taking care of the pasta? Why I'm about to be taking care of Yo.
What's touching? Oh.
Tighten up.
Alright.
Well, you're gonna be taking care of the pasta.
Alright. Am I facing the camera?
Y'all gotta put water in there.
Am I facing the camera? Is this backwards? Yeah, then that's for this. Pasta.
I'm about to season this chicken. Alright? I can't fucking
Okay!
As you're still talking? Are you
okay? What the fuck, nigga?
Bitch, I cannot hear you.
Bro, okay. Bro, come on, bro. Come. I hear your ass.
Hot water. Nah, keep that bitch going. We gotta boil the noodles.
Alright, chill.
Yeah. Come the fuck home. What you telling me? Bro, alright. Alright, nigga. Stop! First seat. That plate. What? I'm about to season the fuck out this chicken.
I want to hear some music too, bro. What the fuck? What?
Yo, don't wait.
What the fuck
Don't we
is
put oil in this?
Why that shit was warm? What is that? Nah,
Fuck it.
I can't see, bro. Y'all go
More
right.
so I can see
heard
it.
myself. Alright, playing this shit.
I'ma season it over here. I hope y'all niggas not talking to me. I can't fucking hear y'all.
Shut the fuck up.
Go put the pasta. Hold on. Now I gotta boil. You right?
Ah, bro. Come on, nigga. Alright.
Well, how much noodles we cooking? Fucking 4? Yo. Bro.
Now we cooking for
Your ass move.
What
You go do the water.
doing, bro.
Now the water. Be generous with it. It's water.
Well, shoot, that's for noodles. It's a deal.
Yeah. Yo, put the top on that.
What's burning?
So
What the
shit-
fuck is that?
Bitch, what are you talking about? You stupid nigga.
Y'all smell this shit?
Bitch, I can't smell.
How the fuck you hear me? Nah, turn the noise cancellation off.
You're fried.
Let me go. Swipe
You're
down on
fried.
it. Swipe down on it.
Oh!
Swipe down on it.
Hold the volume button.
Uh-huh.
And at the bottom, it
Pull my
says
sleeves up.
Transparency.
Pull my sleeves
some
up.
shit like that.
Yeah.
Click that
Pull this sleeve up.
and go noise cancellation.
Fuck that nigga.
Bitch, I was trying to.
You can
Is he in
hear?
front of me, bro?
Can you hear? Can you hear, Dion?
And now his ass can't hear. And my mother peep. That means I get a peep, right?
No.
Yeah, I'm saving my peep. I don't give a fuck. I get one peep chat. I don't care.
Oh.
You gotta use soap. You gotta. Put it in the
Get a
dish.
motherfucking chair.
Bake. Get it.
Y'all not even fucking paying attention
Dude,
to the water.
I can't see, bitch!
And grab one of those little clear bowls
What the fuck?
and bring it over here.
Who?
Be generous with that seasoning, y'all.
Don't touch anything else. Stop.
That shit make my motherfucking head itch. What the fuck kind of shit is this?
I'm gonna make a little mix real quick.
Dion. Wash your hands with soap.
You stupid bitch.
I've never seen it before.
Watch how you about to touch the stove. Stupid
Hey,
ass.
this the fridge.
Got my little mix. Ooh. Oh my fuck. Are you okay? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Shut up.
Oh my fuck.
Bad, bro.
Are you sure? I'm not touching that shit no more.
Look at the flick of that wrist. 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 Look at the flick of that wrist.
Mary, she up there. Oh, I'm in challenge. Heart, soul, need me. You gonna check on the The motherfucker ain't water?
No. Why the fuck would I do that? The shit hot. Why the fuck would I do that?
What?
Tell Bake do that shit. See, don't play with me, bro. Oh God, I'm about to take this shit out, bro. Stop playing. I'm about to. No, I got 2 peaks now because he rapped for this shit. Alright, bro. Stop fucking playing. If I peek, oh God. I'm about to look. Stop playing. What the fuck, bro? What's he?
I can't. Yeah, shit that's going on. But they gonna cancel me on this motherfucker.
What the fuck is this nigga talking about, bro?
I can't.
What the fuck?
I can't hear, bro.
Oh, I know, nigga. Nah, and I ain't burnt. I'm about to quit. Hey, yo! I'm about to quit.
No, you're not.
I'm done.
Come on.
Shit over with.
Shit almost boiled.
Man, where the fuck?
Bitch, you on the pasta. That's the easiest shit. Once you pour it in, stir the pot.
I ain't bet.
Don't let them bitches.
Okay, but don't let me touch that hot ass pot.
I won't. I'm gonna give you a spatula.
No, give me gloves.
Gloves.
Mittens.
Mitts.
Nigga, the shit that you put in the oven for the hands. Yeah. Stop. Bro, alright. Stop playing with me. Oh God. Oh God. Do it again. Watch out. I'm taking this shit out. Oh God. Do it again. Do it again. Alright, bitch ass nigga. Bro, I ain't doing this shit no more. What the fuck is you messing?
I can tell you say some bullshit by your face, bitch.
What the fuck is these?
I'm gonna start making the sauce. I don't know if y'all agreeing or not, but y'all don't really got a choice. We gotta get this shit done.
Is the shit boiled? Is the water boiled? Is it hot? I'll pour it in.
I can't hear you, but I'll get you in the water boiling.
I bet.
Relax.
Yo. What the fuck?
That's for me. That's for the chicken.
I'm looking hungry, bro. Hurry
Cook the
up.
chicken, yeah, dump some of that. Oh, not too much. Let it heat up a little. Oh shit. Should I fall back? I gave what I received. Lately I ain't feeling love at all, Jack. Should I fall back? Every time you pull me close, closer to home. Should I fall back? You're all back. Should I fall back? What the fuck is he talking about?
Bro, this shit.
If I did that to you, what would you call that? Should I fall
Bro,
back?
is the water boiled, bro?
What is he saying?
It's the water.
What I'm calling you?
Hot.
Almost done, nigga. Sit the fuck back.
Bro, hurry up.
Fall back.
Should take it too
You don't even got your watch on. Back. This that.
Fuck, boy.
This that fucking shit I've been talking about.
Bro, stop touching me. Bro, I feel like this nigga good. Oh shit.
Chill, there's mad pasta on the floor.
Alright, so stop playing.
Fuck.
This box still heavy, bro. We got
If I did that to you, what would you call that? Should I call that? I need a bowl, bro. Somebody asked the man where the biggest bowl is to mix at, and
yeah, where's the big bowl to mix that?
oh, I gotta put it on the burner. I'm fried. What?
Why I felt you been around? What the fuck is that smell?
On the weekend, I love you.
No, that shit's
Fall off, can't fall off. Fuck is you talking about? Weekend, on 4th.
That nigga's play too much. I ain't playing no fucking boiling water. You got me fucked up. Oh God.
I need more whipping cream.
Think you think I'm fat? Ain't fat? Live fat?
No, you lost weight.
Nigga talking about I lost weight because I been eating fucking fast food and drinking water and cooking chicken. Where the box at? I lost the box, bro. Oh shit. Nigga. Oh, I found this. Wait, what the fuck you cooking? I damn, you can't tell.
Yo, get your bitch ass up off the ground.
I'm motherfucking rig service shit, dude. Help me up.
Alright, put the garlic in.
Take me to the pot. Keep the lid on too.
Bitch trying to burn my face off?
Take the fucking lid off.
Niggas gonna want my eye.
Over there, right?
Lower it a little bit. Lower it.
Don't let that splash. Get closer. Bitch, stop trying to pee.
Yo, this shit hurt my eyes. What the fuck? Ah! Am I gonna stir this shit the whole fucking time?
Yeah, that bitch ass been cheating.
Oh God, I couldn't see. What the fuck is going on? Shut the fuck up, pussy boy. Stop fucking playing me. I got this.
Yo, put that back on.
Nigga, no. I quit. Fuck this shit. I quit.
I like my chicken well done, nigga.
I'm telling you, if I get popped out of this shit, it's damn people. What the fuck? What you mean?
I can't hear.
Yeah.
I can't see, bitch. What the fuck?
Sorry.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry.
I don't play cops and robbers. Get behind this bitch.
Bruh, chill.
It's in there? Yeah? Tap my arm if it's in there. Alright.
Be generous.
This hoe's still hard, bro. I want this shit take. Why the fuck my hand getting hot? What the fuck? My shit on fire? Damn, where the fuck is that? Hey, put this in the noodle. Why it sound like this shit is fucking moving?
Try that. What you mean, no? Oh, you can't. One. Here.
What?
Hold this fork. And try the sauce. It's on a fork.
You got it.
What did you say?
It's creamy.
Creamy? Good? Good though?
Yeah.
Is it missing anything?
More seasoning.
A little more seasoning?
Yeah.
There.
You can let it sit.
And put this in the pasta. Bro, why I feel like this fucking pot about to fall over? Wait, tap my arm with that shit now, about to fall over really good. Alright. I don't know, I'm tripping, but I can't see shit. Why it sound like it's moving, bro? Are they beyond pot? Okay. Hey, I heard that shit. Put some noodle water in there, motherfucker. That shit gets a dude. I can't.
For some reason, I feel like it's. I'm not being too light with that motherfucking salt, boy. Wait. That motherfucking salt, boy. Niggas need that salt.
Stop doing that shit, boy. You hear me,
Trying
boy?
to get me. Yeah. Yeah.
You hear me, boy?
Move, bitch, before I smack the shit out you. Stop fucking playing with me.
Nigga, my eyebrow.
Your eyebrow?
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Now that bitch back on after.
My spoon.
Here, but somebody gotta try this noodle.
What?
Yeah. Hold on.
Right, that shit. Don't put no fucking hot ass water in my hand. Right.
That's just a noodle.
Ah, fuck.
Gotta get cooked a little longer.
Yeah,
That bitch
yeah,
looked a little hard. Y'all ain't season the water? I'm a real nigga. I really season everything, nigga. I'll season the carpet.
Yo, that shit tastes like Play-Doh, boy. What the fuck? It's like ravioli without the rad.
That one don't got a bed. But I can't let you be.
But where the hell my spoon?
How y'all feeling so far?
Stop fucking yelling.
What you say?
Stop yelling.
Stop.
Bitch.
Oh.
Oh no. Fucking about to do that. Fuck with that. Chill. Yeah, but that shit sound like that fire come off that motherfucker. You gotta stop. What the fuck is wrong with this bitch? Nigga. Is he doing that, babe?
You can't talk.
How the fuck you hear me?
I see your mouth, you dumbass bitch!
I'm gonna take my chance and fight against the line.
You're gonna take your what?
Chance.
Do it.
Hey. Alright, do it.
How you want this to go? Yeah, nigga.
Let me put my back on the wall, bitch. I can't breathe. Hold on.
Fuck, nigga.
What the fuck? Nigga on the phone.
Ow, bitch!
Don't play games and shit.
This bitch ass nigga breath was so hot. No. My nigga. That nigga left the mask up. He said,
oh, yeah, that's what you
mix this shit. You're the dumb niggas. Taste the noodle. Me? Oh. It's a hot ass noodle, bitch. Fuck the water. That bitch good. I said, recording in the dark.
shit, man.
Still on there, I understand, but man, this shit getting hard. Recording in the dark.
Don't understand, I'm a man. Fuck your fat.
That's how you get all the sauce out there, motherfucker. Throw a couple dry noodles in there.
I can't see.
Throw all that shit in there. Fuck it.
I can't see. Can't. These are cups, I think.
Bitch, why are you so close to me? What do you need?
Bowl.
Move.
bowl.
I'll really beat you up. What do you need?
A bowl.
A bowl?
Yes.
Back up.
Yo, bro, I'm about to take this bitch out. Fuck all that.
What kind of bowl?
Nigga, what kind of bowl? Oh, to eat.
To eat?
Yes.
Take the fucking mix off.
Rolling on my belly. I got the peanut butter, mix it with the jelly. Then I got some sugar, I might put it in spaghetti. And bro, you talking about the food as fuck with my belly.
Your turn, bitch.
I need a planner. I need a planner right now, cause I'm mad. Got a bad bitch, believe that she been looking better. She ain't good, so that booty getting fat. And I'm like, yeah.
That's it. That's it.
Put mine over there too. For all them over there, right, see? These motherfucking choking hands, bro.
Yeah, this finna be that shit, boy. It's that oh, so toxic. You don't know what you're doing, baby girl. Don't stop it. You know what I do to you. You know what you do to me. On the hot topic. Go. That's what you better do. Slow. That's what I'm telling you. Niggas don't really be hearing it for real. One more shake. You see that chicken? Fuck is you talking about? Dining with Dion, dick in your mouth full of Dion. Yo, you hungry?
Can I take this shit off?
I don't know what the fuck he's saying.
I'm gonna take this shit off.
Y'all ready? This is the final part, so I feel like we should be able to take everything. My headphones, your blindfold, your mouth.
Hurry up.
Shut the fuck up.
Why the fuck you breathing so fucking well? How the fuck you heard me?
Bitch, I can read your lips.
Nigga, cat, Chad, what the fuck? My knee hurt, bro. Come on, bro. What the fuck? Where am I at?
Against the fridge. Y'all ready to eat?
Nah, that's crazy.
Let me see y'all bowls. Y'all niggas just standing around with us to dump the shit in your hands.
Snack it up.
You're not eating.
That looks snack. Shut your bitch.
Dye your head. After you just push this on the ground, keep us focused, maintain, prosper in the way you gotta play for us, Lord. I want to say thank you for choosing us even when we don't choose you. Thank you for allowing us to have this meal in front of us. This also go ahead, close on our back. In Jesus' name, amen. What the fuck do you do? Just eat, bitch.
Alright, we do this shit going.
We do regular.
You said fuck that.
A few moments later.
What y'all rating that? What y'all rating that?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that shit was heavy. I was the first one to finish. I'm a big dog, goddamn, and I eat for real. These niggas are little puppies and shit. But so I'm saying,
You need a puppy.
yeah, I rate that shit 10 out of 10. That shit was hit.
I'm sure the best, man. We did a good ass job.
No, I'm not gonna lie with you.
You know I play too much though.
Shut your bitch ass.
The noodle was hitting though, right?
You, no, barely.
You talking about family, what? Yeah, that shit.
I had the biggest bowl, I'll tell you
They're
that.
seasoned.
That is a wrap for day 3, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. What the fuck you got going on? Stay tuned for more content. We got a lot of crazy shit coming up. Smash that subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications, man. Get that bell. Ring it. Dang. Make sure you comment. Let us know what y'all want to see at this. Like, yeah, we out.
Yeah.